about insomnia. So what is insomnia? मतलब नींद नहीं आना. So complaint of inadequate sleep or poor quality sleep या difficulty in falling asleep या अगर आप सो भी जाते हो तो to maintain it, to difficulty in maintaining to sleep or waking up early in the morning. So this is all called as insomnia, जिसे हम लोग आयुर्वेदा में निद्रा नाश बोलते हैं. ओके, सो बेसिकली क्रॉनिक इंसोम्निया लीड्स टू फटीग, एंजाइटी या स्ट्रेस या लैक ऑफ कंसंट्रेशन. एनर्जी लेवल्स आपके ड्रॉप हो जाते हैं, यू फील डिप्रेस्ड. सो इन आयुर्वेदा निद्रा नाश या इंसोम्निया इट कम्स अंडर द वाता रिलेटेड प्रॉब्लम्स. वाता नानात्मज विकार, जैसे वाता से काफी सारे एलिमेंट्स होते हैं. सो वन ऑफ द एलिमेंट्स ड्यू टू वाता इम्बैलेंस इज इंसोम्निया, जिसे हम लोग अनिद्रा या निद्रा नाश बोलते हैं. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू आयुर्वेदा, आहार, निद्रा एंड ब्रह्मचर्या आर द 3 उपस्तंभ. ये 3 उपस्तंभ है अपने बॉडी के, टू कीप द बॉडीली दोषास बैलेंस्ड एंड टू हैव अ हेल्दी स्टेट ऑफ योर बॉडी. So now you understand having a good sleep and a complete sleep is so important to your health and to keep the bodily doshas well balanced. Okay. So talking about the causative factors of insomnia, as I said कि वाता aggravation की वजह से insomnia हो सकता है. So वाता aggravating factors like having lot of dry food, जैसे खाकरा है या बिस्किट्स है या having lots of chips या popcorn या leftover food खाना. So this all may lead to vata aggravation. Substance abuse like smoking, drinking या having excessive consumption of caffeine. Caffeine I mean to say by tea and coffee. Okay, or drugs may lead to insomnia. Disruption of your biological clock, मतलब there's a specific time when a person needs to go to sleep and has to wake up, but due to various reasons अगर आपके biological clock में disruption आ रहा है, so that can also lead to insomnia. जैसे काफी लोग shift में काम करते हैं, so if your work schedule has also changed, that is also going to lead to insomnia. Apart from that, indigestion, stress, psychological ailments या काफी ज़्यादा exposure to phone, computers, television at night during your bedtime. So that a lot of light, it stimulates your brain and hence you don't feel like sleeping though you are sleepy. Okay, then sleeping in the afternoons may also lead to insomnia. अगर आप बहुत ज़्यादा कॉन्स्टिपेटेड है, दस इंडाइजेशन, अगर आप बहुत देर से खाना खाते हो या रात का खाना बहुत हैवी हो जाता है, सो दैट कुड ऑल्सो बी द रीजन फॉर इंसोम्निया. अकॉर्डिंग टू आयुर्वेदा, अवॉइडिंग द कॉजेटिव फैक्टर्स मतलब हेतु विपरीत चिकित्सा करना इज द फर्स्ट लाइन ऑफ मैनेजमेंट. सो इफ यू फाइंड एनी ऑफ द रीजंस you are been exposed to, like it could be having lot of tea and coffee throughout the day, या रात को खाना खाने के बाद भी काफी लोगों को कॉफी पीने की आदत होती है. So if you feel कि yes I'm having a lot of caffeine, I'm having a lot of tea, या I'm under lot of stress, या मेरी वर्क शिफ्ट में थोड़ा गड़बड़ हो गया है, I'm having lot of exposure to light, TV and computer or mobile phones during bedtime, so you need to avoid it. Because otherwise आप कितने भी medications लेंगे, it's not going to help. So avoiding the causative factors is the first line of treatment. Okay, so apart from that, bedtime you can take buffalo's milk. Buffalo's milk induces sleep because it's heavy and it's sweet in taste, and sweet taste is little, heavy on your stomach and induces good sleep. So you can have it bedtime. Then you have to practice yoga and pranayam and meditation. Then shiro abhyang, जैसे head massage for example, तो with coconut oil या तिल oil or any medicated hair oil से आपको बेड टाइम मतलब सोने से पहले आपको मसाज करना है आपके हेड को, ओके, स्कैल्प को. सो दैट्स गोइंग टू calm your brain cells and brain nerve cells and help you sleep well. So apart from that you should do पादाभ्यंग, मतलब आपकी जो सोल्स है, फीट की सोल्स, उसको अच्छे से आपको ऑयल से मसाज करना है. देन शिरोधारा इज वन ऑफ द आयुर्वेदिक ट्रीटमेंट जिसमें हम लोग कंटिन्यूस पोरिंग करते हैं विथ मेडिकेटेड ऑयल्स या मेडिकेटेड मिल्क या अदर मेडिकेटेड डिकॉक्शंस ओवर योर फोरहेड. So that is also very good if you have chronic insomnia. Okay, so apart from that you can take few herbs. So ashwagandha is very good. You should take around 3 to 5 grams prior sleeping with milk. So that will also help you to induce sleep. Then jatamansi powder is also very good. That also you can take 1 gram with milk before bedtime. Then brahmi is also a very beautiful herb which induces sleep. So that also 1 to 2 grams you can have it with milk. Manduk parni also is another herb which is very good. So again with milk you have to take 1 to 2 grams before sleep, or you can have it twice daily also. So but apart from all these herbs, you have to make sure that you're maintaining a regular sleep and wake up schedule, right? Then you have to avoid sleeping in the afternoons. Then you can also take fennel seeds, मतलब any seeds, उसको 1 चम्मच 1 tablespoon you have to boil with half liter of water and let it stay covered for 15 minutes and then you can have it before bedtime. So that will also help you. Then nutmeg, जिसे हम लोग जायफल कहते हैं. So 1 teaspoon of जायफल with warm milk before bedtime is definitely going to help to induce sleep. So this is another part with the management of one part with the management of insomnia. Apart from that, compulsory yoga practice on a daily basis. Anulom Vilom and Brahmari Pranayama are very good to induce sleep. Now there are these 2 techniques to induce sleep. So when you're actually on your bed, so number 1 technique is very simple. While you're on your bed and ready to sleep and you're not feeling asleep, you have to just close your eyes, relax your body and just count your breaths in a descending order. Okay, you can start from 100, then you just have to count with every breath. You don't have to count it very fast. With every deep breath and every deep exhalation, like inhalation and exhalation, you just have to count one number. So 100, 99, 98, or you can start from 50, 50, 49, 48, that way. So this is a very beautiful way to make you feel asleep very soon. So you can try this method. There's one more method or you can say technique जिसे American Navy technique कहते हैं. So जो American military people होते थे, for them to fall asleep on the battlefield, they used to use this technique. So इसमें आपको while you're on your bed and not falling asleep, so you just have to close your eyes, you have to relax your body completely, you have to focus on your breath and keep your eyes shut, and you just have to think that you are you are in a hammock. Okay, you know a hammock, right? Like a swing, and you are lying down in the hammock and slowly you are falling asleep. So you just have to imagine that you are sleeping in a hammock. Or you can also imagine that you are sleeping in a boat which is sailing very slowly, very calmly in a small lake. Okay, not a very big river or sea. Just imagine a small lake जिसमें आप जो boat है उस boat में आप सो रहे हैं, and that boat is sailing slowly in the water. So these are very 2 beautiful techniques which help to induce sleep. So try these techniques and let me know all these remedies. Try first these remedies and definitely you let me know how these remedies have helped you to fall asleep. So have a good day, everyone.
Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe our YouTube channel.